Hi, don't leave answering my questions. I spend much on multiple machines just to do the simple work. You are not alone, and we got a perfect fix. This right here, this is our 4-in-1 handheld laser device, designed to do the work of 4 different separate tools. And this is compact and mobile unit. It cuts, it whites, it cleans surface, and it even removes the weld band. That's not just a convenience, that's real efficiency. For years, people also have had to buy separate machines just to cover basic workflows. Not anymore. This machine was built for business that who wants more capabilities without a massive budget and don't like the size for you. This machine is tough, fast, and incredibly precise. It's easy to operate, saves lower speed, and more wherever the job takes you. Our customers love how much time and money they are saving, and once you try it, you'll understand why it's becoming the go-to choice for fabricatories, welds, and the workshop around the world. Are you ready to upgrade the workflow without upgrading the cost? Don't hesitate to contact me and get your custom part today. I'm waiting for you.